Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to this another video tutorial, another special video tutorial onto my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the real stuff. How you can build a web scraper which open multiple windows, browser windows at the same time. For the demonstration, I have developed an email extractor application which scraps the email address. So these are basically the libraries. The libraries are required for writing a scraper, including from Selenium driverless library, Insignia multiprocessing, and math library, regular expression, and typing library. Now there is my main code, async scraper. An async scraper is used first is initiate the driver, and then it open the driver or add an option or opening in incognito mode, and then open a driver and then process the list of the URL in a for loop. Redirect to the URL, wait for the source code, and call the function extract email data, and print also the emails. And then the scraper call it using async IO run. This will call the scraper function, and these are the URLs to read the links from the file, divide the URL. Now the second thing is this is the function which is used to extract the email from the HTML and return a list, and it will also write the email into the file. So return an email, I usually like this approach. Whenever you return a value after collecting the data, then also write values into the dictionary or into the text something onto that function. So this approach was pretty handy and easy to handle, and these are, and also this function is used to divide the URLs into the sublist. Basically you read the URL from this file with 462 URLs. All these URLs are same. My purpose for doing that video, to show you that video, is to basically to demonstrate you how you can open multi windows at the same time by running a scraper in Python script. So basically all these, I have Python 3.130 into my Visual Studio Code. Another apology if my English goes wrong. As I told you earlier in the video, many videos, English is not my first language, so I try to speak fluently, conversationally. I don't know, I'm just trying to convey my point to you. So let's get back to the video. The second thing, don't worry, I attached the code in the description. There was a GitHub repository. Let me show you. This is the repository, Selenium multi-window scraper, and this is the email extraction. I write the readme file. Every instruction explain to you guys how you can install this, and the dependencies are required. So these are very eye-catchy content, and these are the files. So don't worry, I will attach the link in the description. Okay, so now I'm gonna run the scraper and I'm show you the demonstration how this will work. Running the file. Close it. So now you see this, it opened 5 different. Arrange it according which show you. Yes, this is incognito mode, easy to handle, doesn't save the history of the browser, many good features. So incognito mode are good, preferable scraping required for scraping the data. Okay, so I will try to design, you see this, it open, and you can add many websites. You can even add millions of websites. Okay, billions of websites you can add it, and this way, I think this is the only few videos on the internet, on the YouTube, will show you the real demonstration how you can build the multi-window scraper. Okay, so this is the way. I have shoot a video. I would post a video on a YouTube couple of years ago, but it was not self-explanatory, and this time so this is the way, and this is the data scrapped, and here is, you can see the speed. Check this out. Now the way how fast is what that, how fast it was that. So according to your processor, according to your hardware, you can increase. I love to handle 5 or 7 processors at the same time. Basically it was multi-processing, and multi-processing allow you to run your processor concurrently into your PC. So this is the great way, this is the modern technique to solve a complex web scraping. And there is another, I will also include a new video onto my channel, give you the new video how you can simply run scraper through Playwright. And this is a Selenium driverless. Selenium driverless is pretty good for web scraping, and once the scraping was done, it will close the browser. See, now it only remain, it still remain 5, but very soon it will close all browsers. So once the scraping was finished, so you can understand what I'm trying to say you. It's 6 minutes. It scraped more than 350 URLs. So it's a huge optimization for web scraping, and I love to do such kind of technique to extract data fast and efficient through through websites. So I can also show you how you can run multiple tabs in the same browser and do scraping. I have also pre-written tablets. So this is video for Selenium driverless library, because Selenium driverless library show you how you can add multiple browsers, multiple they show you the async and sync support. It's a great library for web scraping, and I want you to explore and write your scraper. They're also called node driver and node driver library, Python, and also this also show you how you can extract information. So thanks for watching this video. I'm going to close it. I hope you guys really understand what I'm trying to convince you, and you can see it nearly finished the data. They are 462 and nearly finished the data. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So thank you very much. Thanks for your time. Allah Hafiz. This video is all over. I'm gonna finish it.